ShipSummit's an opportunity for practitioners in the GovTech community to learn new skills, new things, but apply them in real time in practice together.
We're learning about AI because it's a new technology that not everyone is fully adopted or really understands.
In the end, they've had only about 6 to 8 hours from a blank sheet of paper to a website or an app pretty quickly.
It's been incredible this entire time, going from somebody who has little experience to somebody who feels so confident and produce a lot more from our organization.
I was 20 years a military DoD. I was told not to use AI tools, and now it's where I'm encouraged to use AI.
As we all come together, we're able to start writing that rule book. We're ready for it. We are far more ready for it than any competition.